Yes, write down this example and then write down definition. Okay. Subordinating conjunctions. Introduce clauses. I will write down on the board. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions. Introduce. What they introduce? Dependent clause. What they introduce? They introduce dependent clause. What they introduce? They introduce dependent clause that depend on another clause to complete its meaning. That, 1 minute please, that depend on another clause to complete its meaning. To complete its meaning. What will they do? They will depend on another clause to complete its meaning. Okay. Now, subordinating conjunctions of different types. Let us do types of subordinating conjunctions. So what are the type of subordinating conjunctions? Right. So first of all, subordinating conjunction that introduce noun clause. Okay. Subordinating conjunctions introducing. So I'm writing this: subordinating conjunctions introducing noun clause. So noun clause, they always give the answer of what? What they give us, they always give the answer of what? Noun, yes. Otherwise, in which noun clause is introduced. Okay, this is also, for example, suppose I want to know that he is innocent. Right? What I want to know? I want to know that so now I want to confirm that he is innocent. It means it is giving the answer of what? Or I want to know whether you can draft this letter. You can draft this letter. Okay. So it means that and whether are also examples of what? Then this can also be included if also. If also is introducing noun clause, for example. Kritika, yes, give example with if. Yes, if or whether is same.
I want to know if she is well or not.
If she is well or not, right? So ultimately what it is giving?
I want to know if he can drive the car.
If he can drive a car. Okay. Yes, if he can be trusted or not. Saksham, you want something?
I want to know.
Please come back. Don't worry. Write with pencil then. Okay. So what it means that it is introducing. What it is introducing, it is giving us the answer of what. Okay. Next, afterwards, we are having subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause. Adverb clause की भी होती है, right? Next type is subordinating conjunctions Now please pay attention. Like for example, we are saying, so when till as soon as, since for example, when she saw me, she stopped walking. Okay, it means the time she saw me, she stopped talking. Okay, whenever I saw this photograph, I am reminded of my young days. After, yes, after finishing the work, he started playing in the garden. Clear? So then afterwards we are having of place, adverb of place, we are having place. For example, wherever. Wherever, suppose there, here. Okay, where. Yes, where or wherever, mainly these are there. Okay, for example, he is following the footprints wherever the man was going. Okay, here are lines, no, here, there, no. These are only adverb. Okay, wherever you go, he will never let you sleep with peace. Okay, so wherever and where are the examples of this type. Wherever and where. Here now these are of place. Then reason or cause. We have reason, adverb of reason or cause. We have adverb of reason or cause because. Then we have adverb of reason or cause. How we have of reason, Jagjot, kindly be quiet. So how we have of reason or cause, for example, yes, because we are working hard because we want to succeed in life. So see, I want to work hard is complete in its meaning, but the second part, because I want to succeed in life, is because is relating to first sentence, right? So this is the reason one sentence is always complete and another one is always dependent one. Another one is always dependent one. So yes, so as, but no, since. Okay, right? Yes, both. Okay, both. Then make any sentence with reason. For example, since he is not feeling well, he has not come to the school. Since he is not feeling well, then what happened? Okay, because he is not well, he has not come to the school. So this is giving reason. You will easily come to know that this is telling us time and this is telling us reason. Okay, so yes, so is mainly used for effect. Okay, so is mainly used for effect or result. Okay, next is for result. For example, so and that. Okay, or that. We eat food so that we may live. We eat food so that we may live. Now this is what? This is reason. Okay. Then, no, it is of comparison. No, it won't be included. That also, that can also be there. Right? Purpose, yes. Or see, such was his condition that he will not be able to survive. This is what that can also be used for reason in this manner. Such was his condition that he will not be able to survive. Right? So this is also an example of what? This is also an example of this reason. Clear? Then we have purpose. Okay, in purpose also we have so that. Okay, that, right? In order. Huh? Yes. Huh? Less. Less. Yes. Clear? So next afterwards we are having of concession. Concession, suppose. Now in concession we have mainly two, although and though. Now see the examples with these. Although and though. For example, although he is working hard, he is not coming to my expectations. Means although he is working hard, he is not coming up to my expectations. Okay? Or though he is my friend, he is not honest. Concession ho gaya na? Though this is there, yes. Contrast you can say. Okay? So next afterwards we are having comparison. Yes, comparison, of course. Then next we have comparison. Next we have comparison. Now in comparison what we have? Then. Okay. As and as. Double as. For example, he is not as bold as his brother. He is not as bold as his brother. Okay. She is taller than her sister. Okay. She is taller than her sister. Okay. Single as we will have in manner. Next we have manner. For example, as he is laughing as a clown. He is laughing as a clown. Okay. Like, yes. Right? Then you have the example of, for example, as if and as if. Okay. Then you also have the examples of as if. He is working hard as if he is going to be an officer. Okay. As and as if are the examples of it. As and as if are the examples of this type. Now it is clear now? It is clear? Yes. So these are all the examples of subordinating conjunctions. Now, third part we have next, we have correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions. Next, what we have? Yes, next topic, correlative. Huh? No, third type, correlative. First we have done coordinating, then we have done subordinating. Next we are going to do correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are those which are used in pairs. Okay, which are used in pairs. Yes, coordinating we have done adversative, we have done coordinating. Subordinating we have done this, yes, adverb clause, noun clause. Okay, which are used in pairs. Either or, neither nor. Okay, either or, neither nor. These all are used in pairs. Either you or he will go. Last, Priyansh. Either you or he will come to my house for the party. Neither you nor he will go out for dinner today. Okay. So that right? Such as, such that. Okay, no sooner than. For example, see the example with no sooner. No sooner than means, no sooner means as soon as. Okay, no sooner has he entered the room as yes. Okay, then as and as also are the examples of it. Such as, he is such a big fool as he is behaving like a normal man. So these are the different examples. Correlative conjunctions. These are the different examples of correlative conjunctions. Now, no sooner has he entered the room than the fan started moving, or no sooner I stepped out of the house than the heel of my shoe broke. No sooner I entered the room then
Got out from the house, that started raining.
okay, right. Clear now? So this is how the conjunction is to be done. Now what you have to do, you have to do the exercise in the book on your own. Then we will discuss the exercise in the class. Okay? Then, no sooner than, right? Yes. I will take, don't worry. Yes. Okay, open up the back exercise so that we can do a little bit. Give one grammar book to me also. Yes. Topic of conjunctions is complete. Now this topic, it has to be done in your pair notebooks. Okay, this has to be done in your pair notebooks. Okay, so start solving conjunctions in your grammar book now.